Hello dear students, I welcome you in the e-learning program organized by CB Khedgis College, Akkalkot. In today's lecture, I am going to teach you the question number 3 from the exercise number 1.1 of the chapter number 1 Differentiation. That is from exercise 1.1 and the question number 3, that is differentiate the following. From this question number 3, I have already completed 12 examples totally, and in today's lecture I am starting with the 13th example. Let us see the 13th example, that is y is equal to log of in the bracket of root of 1 minus cos of 3x divided by 1 plus 3x cos of 3x. Okay. From this example, in the last video, I will also explained laws of the logarithms. Let us see how to solve this example. Use the laws of the logarithms in the last examples already. Okay, it becomes, first simplify it, y is equal to, it becomes log of, root means we have to take the power of this function cos of 1 minus cos of 3x divided by 1 plus cos of 3x raised to 1 upon 2. Under root sign shows the power, that is 1 by 2. Okay. It is equal to, as like, becomes log of m raised to n, and it is equal to n into log of m. M means 1 minus cos of 3x divided by 1 plus 3x. This is of the type, that is, simplify again this 1 upon 2, keep as it is, and use the logarithm for this 2, 1 minus cos 3x divided by 1 plus cos 3x. It becomes log of m divided by n. This becomes log of 1 minus cos of 3x minus log of 1 plus cos of 3x. This is becomes as like log of m minus log of n. After simplifying, we differentiate this with respect to x. Differentiate y with respect to x. Compulsorily, we have to write this line for differentiating the given function. Okay, students. Then let us take the derivative dy by dx. This 1 upon 2 keep as it is, and take the derivative of the log of 1 minus cos of 3x is 1 upon 1 minus cos of 3x, and multiply with the derivative of 1 minus cos of 3x minus derivative of this 1 upon 1 plus cos of 3x into multiply with the derivative of, what is the derivative? Derivative of d by dx of, I am writing here, d by dx of 1 plus cos of 3x. Okay, complete the square bracket. Okay, let us take the derivatives of this, that is equal to 1 upon 2 keep as it is, and 1 upon 1 minus cos of 3x as it is, into the derivative of this one is 0 minus cos of 3x. Cos of 3x, derivative of this cos of 3x is minus of sine of 3x. This minus sign and that minus sign becomes plus sine of 3x. Again multiply with the derivative of this 3x, that is 3, minus 1 upon 1 plus cos of 3x. Okay, as it is, into the derivative of this is 1 is 0, and cos of 3x, derivative of cos is minus sine, that is into minus of sine of 3x, into multiply with the derivative of this 3x is 3. and we have to completed the derivatives of all the functions, and let us simplify it. Okay, that is dy by dx, it becomes next term, that is dy by dx is equal to 3 into sine of 3x divided by this 1 minus cos of 3x minus, and the minus sign of the sine of 3x is becomes plus 3 into sine of 3x divided by this 1 plus cos of 3x, and it becomes, we have to simplify it. We have to simplify this as take common 3 sine of 3x out of the bracket, and this 1 upon 2, this becomes divided by 2, this 1 upon 2 out of the bracket, into the bracket we have to take the LCM of these two, that is 1 plus cos of 3x plus 1 minus cos of 3x divided by 1 minus cos of 3x into 1 plus cos of 3x, it becomes 1 square minus cos square, that is 1 square is 1 minus cos square of 3x, that is equal to, it becomes 3 by 2. We have to also write in this type 3 by 2 into sine of 3x. This minus and this plus terms are get cancelled out. 1 plus 1 becomes 2 divided by 1 minus cos square of 3x is equal to, this 2 and this 2 get cancelled. 3 sin x, that is 3 sine of 3x divided by 1 minus cos square 3x becomes sin square of 3x. That get cancelled 1 sin a, that is equal to 3 by sine of 3x. It is equal to, it becomes 1 upon sine means it is becomes cosec of x, that is equal to 3, keep as it is, and 1 upon sine means it becomes cosec of 3x. Students, simplify up to, you simplify it. Okay, simplifying all the terms, we get 3 by sine of 3x becomes 3 into cosec of 3x. It is the answer of the question. Next, students, similar examples are there in the exercise. That is, you try to it about, that is 14th example is log of under root of 1 plus cos of 5x divided by 2 divided by 1 minus cos of 5x divided by 2. Also 15th example is similar of this 13th example. 14th and 15th you have to try on. Okay, then I am going to the 16th example, that is a log of y is equal to log of 4 to 2x into x square plus 5 divided by this 2x cube minus 4 and bracket raised to 3 by 2. This is the 16th example. Let us see how to solve it. Taking the laws of the logarithms, and we have to simplify this first. Y, that is logarithm of 4 raised to 2x plus log of this x square plus 5 divided by 2x cube minus 4 raised to 3 by 2. This is of the type of log of m into n. Then log of m into n becomes log of m plus log of n. We have to write again that log of 4 is to 2x, it becomes 2x into log of 4. That is m raised to n can be written as n into log of m plus again 3 by 2 into log of this x square plus 5 divided by 2x cube minus 4. This again becomes as like log of m divided by n. Again simplify it, it becomes 2x into log of 4 plus 3 by 2. Keep as it is and use the basic law of the logarithm, that is m upon n, log of m minus log of n, that is 2x cube minus 4. Log of m is x square plus 5 and log of n is 2x cube minus 4. After simplifying, we have to calculate the differentiation of the function y. That is equal to, it becomes differentiate y with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to, dy by dx is equal to derivative of this log and x. This log of 4 is constant and 2 is constant, therefore we write it as 2 log of 4 as it is and take the derivative of this is 1 plus 3 by 2 as it is, take the derivative of the log of x square plus 5, it becomes 1 upon x square plus 5 and multiply with the derivative of this x square plus 5, that is 2x. I have directly written the derivative of this x square plus 5. Derivative of this x square is 2x plus 5 is constant, therefore derivative of this 5 is 0. Okay. Then next minus derivative of this 2x cube minus 4, 1 upon 2x cube minus 4, log of 2x cube minus 4, derivative of this is 1 upon 2x cube minus 4 and multiply with the derivative of this 2 into x cube, that is, it becomes 2 as it is and derivative of x cube is 3x square. Okay. Then multiply inside by 3 by 2, this becomes 2 into log of 4 plus this 3 by 2 into this 2x upon x square plus 5, 2 get cancelled and it becomes 3x divided by this x square plus 5. X square plus 5 as it is minus this 3x square and this 3 becomes 9x square and this 2 and this 2 get cancelled, it becomes 9x square divided by 2x cube minus 4. Okay. Okay students, get it? This is the next example of this. That becomes, the answer is 2 log 4 plus 3x divided by x square plus 5 minus 9x square divided by 2x cube minus 4. Next example is similar of that, the 16th example. I am going to for the next, that is 18th example. Let us going to start 18th example, that is y is equal to log of a raised to cos of x divided by x square minus 3 bracket cube into log of x. This is the 18th example. Let us simplify it by using the logarithms, laws of the logarithms. We get this log of m by n as like, therefore y is equal to log of m means a raised to cos of x minus log of x square minus 3 bracket cube into log of x. This is n. Then again simplify log of m raised to n, it becomes cos of x into log of a minus log of m into n, it becomes log of x square minus 3 bracket cube plus log of x. Okay, this minus sign is outside the logarithms. Then this becomes, on after simplifying, cos of x into log of a minus multiplying with the minus sign, and this is like as m raised to n, this becomes 3 into log of x square minus 3, this minus and this plus becomes minus of log of x. Okay, and after simplifying we have to differentiate this y with respect to x. We get differentiate y with respect to x, we get, that is dy by dx is equal to derivative of cos of x, log of a keep as it is because it is constant, derivative of this cos is minus of sin of x, minus 3 keep as it is and take the derivative of this log, that is x1 upon x square minus 3, and multiply with the derivative of this x square minus 3, that is 2x minus 0 means becomes only 2x, minus derivative of this log of log of x, that is 1 upon log of x, into the derivative of this log is 1 upon x. Okay, this becomes is equal to minus of sin of x into log of a minus this 3 into 2 is 6x divided by x square minus 3 minus 1 upon x into log of x. We have to complete it. Example number 18. Okay, let us I am going to start the next example. This is the 18th example and answer of this is, okay, let us next example, taking the next example, that is 19th example. This next, that is y is equal to, it becomes 25 bracket raised to log of sec of x to the base 5, 25 raised to log of sec of x, and the base of log is 5, minus 16 raised to log of tan of x to the base 4. Okay, we have to use one of the another logarithmic formula for this type of the example. Let us see here, a raised to log of x to the base a. Whenever the base and the base of this logarithm becomes the same, then its value becomes only x. Whenever there is a raised to log of x to the base a, then base of this term and base of the logarithmic term are same, then value of this type of the expression becomes is equal to x. Value of logarithm of the is equal to this. Okay, we have to use another formula also of the indices, that is a raised to m raised to n. It is also written as a raised to n raised to m. For this example, we have to use these two results. Let us see. Y is equal to 25 can be written as 5 square raised to log of sec of x to the base 5 minus 16 means 4 square and raised to log of tan of x to the base 4. Okay, that is y is equal to, it becomes 5 raised to m raised to n. It can be written as a raised to n raised to m. This n can be written in the term, that is 2, that is log of sec of x to the base 5 bracket square. M raised to n can be written as n raised to m, that is minus of 4 raised to log of tan of x to the base 4 bracket square. A raised to m raised to n can be written as a raised to n raised to m. This formula is used here. Y is equal to, next use the first formula for this. It can be written as, whenever the base of these two are same, then we get this as sec of x bracket square minus tan of x bracket square. And we also use one of the identity here, that is 1 plus tan square of x is equal to sec square of x, and this can be written as also 1 is equal to sec square of x minus tan square of x. Use the identity for this example, therefore it becomes y is equal to 1. We have simplified all the terms of this example and we get y is equal to 1. Then differentiate this y with respect to x. Differentiate y with respect to x. We get dy by dx is equal to 0. I have completed 19 examples from the exercise 1.1 and from the question number 3. Students, try the remaining examples and similar examples which I have taken in this lecture. Okay, and without hesitating, you comment me about the lecture, and queries about this lecture. Okay, thank you students.